Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm having my coffee. How are you guys doing today? Just want to say hi because I haven't done a coffee, have your coffee with me video in a few days. I need a new coffee machine. The little mechanism there is out of place. Anyway, so I haven't brought you guys along. Don't mind my dog. Bella, come here. She's barking because she wants her toys. But I haven't come have coffee with me in the morning video in a few days. So I thought I'd make one today. Did you guys have a good weekend? Tell me. Do you guys like my morning look? My pigtails? I don't know if you guys like it in the Tennessee area, but I'm having some frosty monkey coffee. Let's just try it out. It's really good. Oh, running out of whipped cream. So gonna get ready to feed my little girls. Put my caramel on top. For a little pizzazz. This is delicious. Delicious. Lovely. Get my bowls ready for my girls. Notice some of you guys have commented that you guys have Frenchies. Do you guys cook for them as well? They're very spoiled. I have 3 girls. They're very spoiled. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the new subscribers. Thank you for my existing subscribers for sticking with me through my whole journey. I do appreciate that. If you have not subscribed, please do. If you please comment and thumbs it up or down, which way you like. And if you would share, and if you like the content, please do hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload new content. And do you guys like my dress? So yeah, yesterday I got new comments from Canada, so thank you, Canada, for watching. I hope you guys are subscribing. Is it getting cold over there yet? And also, you guys can check out my other platforms. I do have Twitter or X, Instagram, Patreon, FanView, YouTube. If you guys would check them all out and subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated and help me out. And I thank you guys for watching today. I will let you guys go. I will be doing another video later on tonight with a look of the day. And I'll see you guys next time. I do love you guys very much. I appreciate you all for all the support that you have given me. I thank you for being part of my channel and my YouTube family and my social media family and all the other platforms. And I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Love you.